Must have that one locked. Hope that's the case. So, nice. Nice. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a brand new day here. And we're here with this beautiful 2013 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport in beautiful Barcelona red. In the last video, as you can see, we did get everything painted up, but we have got pieces scattered all over the shop. So what I got to do today is I'm going to try to round all them suckers up, start trying to put this truck back together and make it look like something. I mean, it looks like something now. It looks good. It's a good looking truck. I mean, it looks really good. The Barcelona laid down really nice. Dylan done a super job. We done a super job. You know, it's looking really good. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to cut us a path through all this mess to get it over in the shop, find all the parts that we got scattered out everywhere. We're gonna start getting it put back together. So let's hop to it and let's get it done. So what I think we probably do first is JP, he went crazy with this dang antenna and just cut it off. So we got a new one. Got a new one. Right here it is. It is a grizzly bear to put in. But you know what? We might as well go ahead and get that done first. Since it's aggravating, let's just get that done. Have the aggravating stuff done first. So real quick, the antenna plugs up here, routes down through the dash, and goes out through a hole up in there. And then it comes out right there. Problem, super easy. You know, JP did what he had to do. He had to bust it out. He had to cut it off. He had to grind it down. We got a new one. We're going to get it replaced. Alrighty guys, man, we did make quick work of this. We get all the door panels back on. Check it out. Check it out. All the door handles are back on. Everything's going really good. So now I think what we'll do is maybe jump on some more of this stuff, put the grill back together, get that done. I think we got some new headlights around there somewhere. So I think I'll jump on that. So we'll jump back to it, get some more stuff done. It is the next day here, and we did this work on this Tacoma. Man, all those little pieces that we took apart that, you know, that we had to paint, all of them had to go back on the truck. So we have made great progress getting everything put back together. We got the headlights in, we got the door handles on, we got everything just moving right along with this truck. We still need to put the taillights in, put all the fender flares on, kind of get everything buttoned back up, and we got some brand new bumpers that we got to get. We got to get to those bumpers. JP, he's on his way up here, and I'm hoping he brings them with him because they shipped them over to his house and not mine. So hopefully he brings them. But in the meantime, let's jump back on this thing. Let's start getting the taillights, fender flares ready, tailgate on. Let's hop to it. Let's get it done. Alrighty guys, we have made tremendous progress on this. We've been working on these bumpers for a good bit. This front one, honestly and truly, had about 75 pounds worth of bolts in it that we put it all together with. We got just a few final adjustments, just trying to get it figured out, but look at this thing, man. I mean, we could pull a tank with it. We got us a winch coming that we're gonna put in there. We got to get all these lights wired up. We're just trying to figure out how it all fits, because honestly and truly, we don't really know. But when we get it all fitting together, we share it with you guys. We've about done it all on this. We're going to finish it up, but let's check out the rear bumper here real quick. All right, the rear bumper was a lot easier to put on. There was not a lot we had to do to it. We just put it together, stuck it right on here. And then it just even put our factory tag lights right back on there. Still got to scoot the tail lights in and we got to get the tailgate on. But you know what? That's probably going to be a wrap for today's video. We have got a lot of work done, but in the next video, we should be able to get it all buttoned up, and hopefully the lift kit will be in and we can start that. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.